If you really follow these tips that are supposed to save you from losing positions before entering a position, you don't need to lose. I tested an indicator, and it told me where to enter and where to exit. So let's go quickly and see what it is. Thank you for your likes and subscriptions. Add EMA 34 first. We know what EMA is supposed to do, so I don't need to explain. Let's go to the second indicator that is important. Self-aware trend system. Show WillyAlgoTrader. This tool in the trading view gives you trend signals and helps you enter the trade more accurately. Now set the time frame to 5 minutes. The reason is that short-term scalping requires accuracy and speed of action, not long-term analysis. But we should not enter with a position confirmation. But I tested it and it was good. Important point. Never rely on just one tool. The combination of EMA and self-aware trend will reduce your error. Before we get into buying and selling, let me make a small point. Please set a trailing stop on all your positions, and please consider this as an important consideration in deciding the direction of the region you are taking, as I will explain later. Let's get to the entries. 1. Buy and sell signal. In short-term scalping, it is very important to accurately identify entry and exit times. WillyAlgoTrader provides trend confirmation signals to reduce mistakes. Buy signal, long entry. 1. The price closes above EMA 34 and the EMA is clearly in an upward direction. 2. The self-aware trend system shows a confirmed bullish signal. 3. The trading volume is adjusted according to the money management. 4. Before entering, check that there is no strong short-term resistance in the same range. 5. Set the stop loss slightly below the EMA or the last low, and set the profit to risk ratio at least 1:1 or 2:1. Short entry signal. 1. The price closes below the EMA 34, and the EMA has a clear downward direction. 2. The self-aware trend system provides a confirmed bearish signal. 3. The appropriate trade size is set with money management. 4. Avoid entering near strong supports to avoid losing the trade. 5. Place a stop loss slightly above the EMA or the last high and set a profit limit with a suitable risk ratio. Key points. 2-step confirmation. Don't rely solely on the EMA. Always check the self-aware trend to confirm the signal. Emotion management. Short-term scalping requires speed and focus. Greed and fear can lead to wrong entries. Timing. The best results are usually seen during volatile, but not busy and uncertain market times. Flexibility. If the signal appears but the market conditions are unfavorable, wait. A safe entry is always better than a risky entry. By following these steps, you can identify accurate buy and sell signals in 5-minute scalping and reduce your error rate. Focusing on the 34 EMA and confirming the self-aware trend will ensure that your trades are in line with the trend and that risks are managed. 2. How to exit a trade. Timely exit is even more important than entry. Even if the buy or sell signal is correct, not managing the exit properly can turn your profit into a loss. Long exit, fixed profit target. Set a profit limit before entering. Usually a risk-reward ratio of 1:1 or 2:1 is appropriate. Self-aware trend. Downward signal. If the bullish signal ends and the system gives a bearish signal, it is better to close the trade even if the profit limit has not been reached. Price below EMA 34. If the closing price of the candle is below EMA 34, it indicates a short-term trend change and it is necessary to exit the trade. Short exit. Predetermined profit limit. Close the trade as soon as the profit limit is reached. Bullish self-aware. Trend signal. If the bearish trend signal ends and a bullish signal appears, close the trade to reduce potential losses. Price above EMA 34. Closing above EMA 34 is a sign of a short-term trend change, and an exit should be made. Important points about how to exit. Depends on market conditions. The exit method always depends on the volatility conditions and the strength of the trend. In a volatile market, you may need to take the profit limit earlier to preserve the profit. In a calm market, You can allow more profit to accumulate, but always with a safe stop loss. Lack of greed. Some traders are tempted to wait for bigger profits, but a small change in trend can wipe out all the profits. Flexibility, EMA 34 and self-aware. Trend are tools for quick decision-making. Always check that the main trend has not changed before closing a trade. Volume management. If the market suddenly fluctuates sharply, reducing volume or gradually exiting can reduce risk. Practical example: Bitcoin scalping with EMA 34 and self-aware trend. Let's say we open a 5-minute time frame on BTC/USDT in TradingView. Step 1. Buy signal detection. EMA 34 has found an upward trend and the price has closed above the EMA. The self-aware trend system gives a confirmed bullish signal. The trade volume is selected according to the capital management. A buy entry is made. Step 2. Trade control and error. Correction. After 2 candles, the system shows a weak bullish signal, and the next candle closes near the EMA. Here the trade is still profitable, but the signal is weak. By moving the stop loss closer to the entry point, the risk is reduced. Step 3. Professional exit. The price closes 1 candle above the EMA 34, but the self-aware trend gives a neutral signal. We decide to close the trade, and the profit is fixed. Result: accurate entry, timely correction, and smart exit made for a successful scalping with controlled risk. Pro tip: even if the initial signal is correct, controlling the stop loss and paying attention to the system confirmation can make the difference between a profitable trade and a risky one. Risk management, professional Bitcoin scalping. In short-term scalping, even the best signals can be wrong. Without professional risk management, a small mistake can wipe out your entire daily profit or even more of your capital. 1. Determine the percentage of risk per trade, usually between 1 to 2% of your total capital. Example: if your account is $1,000, the maximum allowable loss for a scalping is about $10 to $20. This ensures that your account is not at risk even if several false signals appear in a row. 2. Accurate stop loss and take profit. Set your stop loss close to EMA 34 or the last significant low/high. Set your take profit to risk ratio at least 1 to 1 or preferably 2 to 1. If the market is volatile, move your stop loss closer to preserve the existing profit. Control your trade volume. Set your trade volume in proportion to the risk percentage. Never enter a large volume for great opportunities. Greed is the killer of trades. 4. Stick to the plan and don't be greedy. Even if you feel you can make more profit, if the system or EMA signal goes against you, you should exit the trade. Adhering to a plan will help you avoid unnecessary losses. 5. Flexibility in a highly volatile market. In moments of extreme market volatility, for example, important Bitcoin news, it is sometimes better to reduce the trade volume or not enter at all. A professional scalper is always ready to stop and wait, not to take unnecessary risks. Painful but true. If risk management is not followed, even a correct signal can cause heavy losses and loss of self-confidence. But by strictly observing the risk percentage, stop loss, take profit, and volume control, you can make consistent and reliable profits. Summary of key points we learned today. Precise entry. Always wait for the confirmation of EMA 34 and the self-aware trend signal. Rushing leads to mistakes. Controlling the wrong signal. A wrong signal can cause losses, but with quick correction and rechecking, the risk can be reduced. Smart exit. Using the take profit, stop loss, and system signal to exit stabilizes profits and prevents losses. Professional risk management. Determining the risk percentage of each trade, controlling volume, sticking to the plan, and being flexible in a highly volatile market are the main pillars of success in scalping. If you want to always learn from your mistakes and make your trading profitable and professional, follow the channel and ring the bell. Also, share your experiences and questions with us in the comments so we can become more professional together.